You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these type of reptile. Or was it a dinosaur? At least if you want to learn how to pronounce more confusing dinosaur names, make sure to stay tuned. Mosasaurus is how it's normally pronounced. Yes, I've got more videos of very confusing dinosaur names. Mosasaurus, how to pronounce in English. Mosasaurus, it's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.